Hello guys, good evening. This is a beautiful Saturday. My name is Tony. I'd like to introduce to you guys 7 things you need to take along with you on a road trip. Having the right kit to take along on a road trip is very important. Firstly, I'll start with the tire repair kit. This is very important for you. If you get a puncture tire, it's very good. You can repair this yourself. The second one is this is a Tyre Inflator. It's also very good. You can get this at good price at AliExpress. It also has a light. It also has a light here for the night. Okay. Number 3 on the list is the fuse box. Different grades: 5, 10, 15, 25, whichever suits you. Fuse will get caught in the engine and you need an extra fuse. It's also very good. Number 4, you should also have the towing rope. This is very good. You might want to assist a friend might want to assist you, whichever way. This is very good for you on a road trip. Okay. Number 5, I have the Jumpstart. It's very important. You could have a weak battery. You need help from a friend, or you want to help a friend. Jumpstart is very good. You can get that at your local store. Number 6, I'm at various tools. You can see here different spanners, different sizes, 13, 15, different sizes. You can need this to remove bolts and nuts. Okay. Number 7, I'll categorize this under the fluid section. This is my engine oil 5W30 manual. Also under the fluid section, I recommend you have a coolant. This is a red colored coolant, Freestone. Then also under the fluid section, I have my brake fluid. That's for brake fluid from Total. So basically, those are the 7 things you need to have when going on a road trip. Road trips could be fun, but when you don't have this and you get stuck on the road, it could be frustrating. Thank you guys for watching this video. Click on the subscribe button. Thank you.